To boost your business with Google Ads, consider these strategies. Keyword optimization. Choose relevant keywords for your ads to ensure they reach your target audience. Compelling ad copy. Craft engaging and clear ad copy that highlights your unique selling points. Landing page optimization. Ensure your landing pages align with your ads, providing a seamless user experience. Ad extensions. Use extensions to provide additional information and encourage clicks, such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets. Targeting options. Utilize Google Ads targeting features to reach specific demographics, locations, or interests. Ad scheduling. Optimize the timing of your ads based on when your target audience is most active. Bid strategy. Choose the right bidding strategy for your goals, whether it's cost per click, CPC, cost per thousand impressions, CPM, or cost per acquisition, CPA. Ad testing. Regularly test different ad variations to identify the most effective messaging and design. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the success of your campaigns and make data-driven adjustments. Remarketing. Target users who have previously visited your site, keeping your brand in their consideration set. Mobile optimization. Given the prevalence of mobile users, ensure your ads and landing pages are optimized for mobile devices. Negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant search terms to refine your audience and improve ad targeting. Quality score improvement. Enhance ad relevance, landing page experience, and click-through rates to improve your quality score. Competitor analysis. Stay informed about your competitors' strategies and adjust your approach accordingly. Budget management. Monitor and adjust your budget based on performance, allocating resources to high-performing campaigns. Regularly analyze performance metrics and adapt your strategies to maximize the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns.